Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can change your birthday on your TikTok app. So let's get started by opening your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you want to go ahead and simply log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile section, tap on the three dot icon and then tap on settings and privacy. So from here, scroll below, then tap on report a problem, then tap on account and profile. Go ahead and select editing profile. Inside here, simply tap on others. Now inside here, scroll all the way to the bottom, then tap on need more help. Just like that, inside here, you want to go ahead and simply choose account. Once done, scroll below, then tap on I want to update my birth date. Once done, you'll then be able to find this message sent from TikTok support. Go ahead and tap on this form right over here, and then you'll be taken to this page. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply type in your email address, your username, and then in this little box, you want to go ahead and simply type in I would like to update my date of birth, and once done, you want to go ahead and simply tap on submit. So once you have submitted the request, the TikTok support will send you a link. On that page, sign in with the same email linked to your TikTok account, enter your correct date of birth, and then skip the username creation step. Next, confirm your date of birth again. To verify your age, you'll be asked to either authenticate with a credit card or submit a selfie holding a government issue ID that clearly shows your photo and your birth date. Once verified, TikTok will automatically update your birthday shortly. That's it. Now you know how you can change your birthday on TikTok right away. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.